Alright, I'm still at the Essendon airfields, and there's MG, there's MG, V-Dub, Mazda, Ford, Toyota, Hyundai, Kia, used cars, new cars. Oh, Hyundai showroom's massive, so is Toyota's. So it starts from here, goes all the way down there. Really nice. So if you're planning on buying a used or a second-hand car, I would highly recommend that, you know, you come to Essendon airfields and just have a look, check out your options, because you'll find maybe 20 dealers all in one place. You got Subaru on the right, Cupra, is that Opel? I'm not sure what brand that is. Audi, Land Rover, BYD, BMW, Mini, you name it. Porsche, it's all here. Okay, now let's get out. I want to go to, let me think. Okay, well, so what time is it? So the people there, they were really nice and friendly. Oh, they're coming fast. I want to go to Essendon DFO. It's the next exit. Yeah, bit of traffic today here. This is a turn off. This is the last turn off before the toll starts. So I'm heading towards Essendon DFO. Well, basically my aim is to cover all the suburbs in Melbourne. Southeast, north, west, inner. I wanna have like a library of all the suburbs, the main major shopping strips and all that. Well, I think it might be useful for someone maybe that's looking to maybe move to that suburb, or perhaps someone considering buying a property or renting a house, or maybe sending their kids to school, or whatever the case might be. So I'm doing these videos so people get a bit of an idea like what's around and what's accessible. I hope it's useful. Because initially I was cruising anyway. I was riding my motorbike, but I wasn't recording anything. And I thought to myself, well, if I'm already cruising and going to different areas and different suburbs, why not just record it? That way I have something to go back to, and then you know, people online on YouTube, they can watch it and maybe you know, it might help them in one way. And I want to look back in maybe say 3 or 5 years or 10 years time, and hopefully if I'm still alive by then, and I want to be able to go back to these videos that I'm making and just say, oh wow, you know, I've done this, I've done that, I've been to this suburb, I've done that. Like recently we had a family friend that's come over, and they had some like a family businesses in the South Yarra on Chapel Street, and I told him that I went through South Yarra Chapel Street. You know, he was really excited because this shop or this business that was going back in his family for 40-50 years. It was a double-story building with a shop front, and so I jumped on YouTube on my on the TV, and I showed them like where I was going past, and he recognized the building, and I stopped, I paused it right there, and he was actually very happy to see it, like the transformation of that shop and or the business. Unfortunately they no longer own it, so things like that, it's just good. Or like another example is that one of my friends, he owns a very successful restaurant, and he's looking at expanding or maybe like franchising, and like he was asking me for some ideas, you know, what suburbs are good, and you know, what do you think might be like expanding or like developing suburbs. It could be outer, and I said to him, I said definitely, I said check out like what's that suburb, South Morang. I said that area is expanding like exponentially, and also like I said maybe Caroline Springs and things like that. I haven't done a video yet to cover Caroline Springs, so I'm planning to do Caroline Springs, like Deer Park, like Werribee, Hoppers Crossing, Melton, all those suburbs. So there's Dan Murphy's. So I want to cruise past the thing first. So you got all the shops: Adriatic Furniture, Neverland, Good Guys, Freedom Furniture, Snooze, 40 Winks. These are all furniture shops, furniture and bedding shops. I would say Snooze is probably the #1 shop, the one that I like. Their stuff is very good. Yeah, you have the like pickup areas for Freedom. There's a few other ones. I think I've picked up something from there before. Yeah, there's another one. I don't know if this is Snooze. Yeah, this is Snooze. Pick up for Snooze. Oh, it's packed today. Good guys. It's absolutely packed today. Chocker block. Yeah, the thing is, like someone recently asked me, like, who knows more, the one that reads more or the one that travels more? And I said to him, like, the one that actually does both. So I do read a little bit, especially online tech stuff. I'm really heavily involved in tech, but I also like to like cruise and go to different areas, suburbs, talk to different people, get to know different cultures, backgrounds, ethnicities, religions, you know. So I'm open to anyone and everyone. I'm not like racist or anything. And I think if you open your heart to people, that's the only way that you're gonna benefit. Tommy Hilfiger, Roadhouse, Shake, Birkenstock, a lot of shops, Roadhouse, North Face, Horsham. So this is the entrance Florsham, North Face. That's a nice camping shop, that one. Filler. MJ Bale. Sounds like Gareth Bale. Gazman, Asics. I like that brand. Carpet Call. What is that? Bed, Bath and Table. They have good stuff. Adventure, Lacoste, Superdry. They're good brands. These are like really top brands, guys. On the left you got Carpet Core. And there's kids. I didn't even know they had a kids store, to be honest. What else? Rugs, Mega Blinds, House. Oh, they have good stuff. House. This is probably one of my top shops here. House is really good. Beacon Lighting. And there's that's good. Chemist Warehouse. Like I think they designed it really well. Chemist Warehouse, Provincial Home Living. There's like mixed, like a retail furniture, retail slash bedding, homewares, furniture, clothing. Clothing's mainly more on the inside part. Koala Living, Bev Marks, Oz Design, Pottery Barn, Williams. A lot of shops here. What's you guys doing? Bev Marks, Oz Design, Berkowitz, Spotlight, JB Hi-Fi, oh, there's JB. Next time I need something, I'm coming here. I always go to the other stores. Last time I went to the Sunshine store. Okay, JB Hi-Fi. What's this guy doing? Only if people could drive. Catalano. Is that a Interiors? Sounds Italian. Nice name, that one. Focus on Furniture on the left. Spotlight right across. Nick Scully. We bought a fair bit of furniture from Nick Scully recently. That was the Craigieburn store. We bought a lot of stuff from there. Nick Scully. Good stuff. They have really good stuff. Happy birthday! Yeah, I want to check out, there's a few more. Okay, you got Snooze, 40 Winks, Adriatic, ENS Trading, Freedom on the left, Good Guys, Discount, what is that? Discount Warehouses. Oh yeah, bit of traffic today. Look at that, they just keep coming. Wow, very busy. What's this on now? I want to check out this last part, and then that's it. I would have covered the whole lot. Yeah, Freedom, Snooze, 40 Winks, Adriatic, ENS Trading. What's this? Cooking, the Freedom, cooking, laundry, fridges. So that was part of the Good Guys. Looks like they have a sausage sizzle. Yeah. You going out or what are you doing? Oh my god, where did you get your license from, bro? Yeah, Good Guys. Discount Warehouses. So I've been seeing that Copilot, Microsoft Copilot stuff everywhere. Sony, Dyson, really good. Okay, I think it's time we get out. Can we get out? Yeah, I'll probably, Ah. There's a car wash there? Interesting. Stop recording.